This time, we're diving into the world of stitching with Osnaburg fabric, crafting a breathtaking design that's ideal for adorning cushion covers, dress bodices, or any other sewing project you have in mind. Begin by cutting a square piece of fabric to your desired size. Using graph paper and a heat erasable pen, carefully draw a grid on the fabric. Aim for precision with 6 by 6 millimeter squares. This grid will be our trusty guide as we embark on our stitching journey. While I'll be using an embroidery hoop for stability, it's entirely optional. Anyone can tackle this project with or without one. Once the grid is in place, it's time to stitch the running stitch, following the lines meticulously. Using embroidery flosses and a simple running stitch, I'll bring this elegant needlework to life. The embroidery stand we'll be using is an adjustable stand that can be easily purchased online. It provides stability and flexibility, accommodating various sizes of embroidery hoops and frames. The stand usually comes with adjustable height and angle options, allowing you to find the perfect position for your stitching. If you're interested in these embroidery essentials, you can find them on my Handy Store website at handystore.shop. Next, we'll weave with the same threads, adding depth and texture to our design. Once you've completed weaving each row, secure the thread with a knot underneath the fabric before starting the next row. This time, I'm working with soft osnaburg fabric to create a stunning design perfect for cushion covers or dress bodices. After completing the design, gently iron the fabric to remove any creases and erase the grid lines quickly and easily. Feel free to experiment with different fabric and thread colors to suit your style. Try dark fabric with light threads for a striking contrast. Let your creativity soar as you bring this stitching pattern to life.